squishy in my
Okay.
cookies, and I was like,
Yeah,
hey, get it back. Like, what happened?
Did someone say squish tour?
No.
What did you say?
I said, no, did you hear that?
They didn't? Well, that's sad. I wish someone could said that. Okay, let's do a squish tour. Is this classic Nido jellyfish. I got this from a fidget trade with my friend. This slow rising croissant, which is from Russia. And another slow rising squishy. This is from Shein. Then is this Tabo squishy. I got from Poland 1 day ago. Like, I've not opened it because like, how do you want to destroy this beauty? Then it's this mashed potato. Got it from Russia. Then it's this like blue ball. Then it's this blue ball. Ooh, I like this one. Got it from Russia. Then this dumpling from Norway. You know, it's not like a shaving cream texture or a water texture. It's like a body wash texture, you know? And then this really cute capybara. And this Eris putty. Ooh. Sweden, 10 out of 10.